iOS 26 just made your iPhone look completely different, and most people have no idea how to use it properly. Right now, your home screen is probably a mess. By the end of this video, it's going to look like this. Want to make your iPhone home screen look clean and aesthetic? In this video, I'll show you how to add a transparent widget to your iPhone home screen step by step. It's a simple customization trick that can completely change the look of your iPhone. Right now, this looks like a normal iPhone home screen. For this video, I'm using an iPhone 12 Pro, and the iOS version is iOS 26. But don't worry if you're using an older iPhone or an older iOS version, because this trick can work on older iOS versions too. So make sure to try this on your device. First, we need to change the wallpaper. You can choose any wallpaper you like. It can be a colorful wallpaper, a minimal wallpaper, or even your own photo. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use a simple black wallpaper. A black wallpaper gives the iPhone a clean, modern, and minimal look. It also helps the transparent widget effect blend nicely with the home screen. So before adding the widget, choose a wallpaper that matches the style you want. After that, we can start creating the transparent widget and make the home screen look much better than the normal setup. So when you choose your wallpaper, try to pick one that matches your lock screen clock style too. This small change can make both your lock screen and home screen look much better together. When dark mode is turned on, the app icons, widgets, and system menus look smoother and more stylish. This helps the transparent widget blend better with the wallpaper and makes the whole setup look more premium. But if you prefer the normal iPhone look, you can keep the icons in the natural style. That will make your home screen look clean and simple. For this setup, choose the style that matches your wallpaper and your personal taste. Both options are good. It just depends on the look you want for your iPhone home screen. For me, dark mode makes the iPhone look cleaner, smoother, and more premium. It also matches perfectly with this black wallpaper and gives the home screen a very minimal style. When there are too many apps on the screen, the setup can look crowded. So by hiding some app pages, we can keep the home screen simple, minimal, and more aesthetic. Don't worry, this will not delete your apps. We are only hiding the pages from the home screen. You can still access all your apps anytime from the app library. Just swipe to the last page and you'll find all your apps there. From here, just remove the tick mark from the pages you want to hide. Usually, keeping only 2 pages is a good idea. It makes the home screen look clean, simple, and premium without too many apps everywhere. Now it's time to download the Widget app. Open the App Store and search for Widgy. After that, download and install the app. Widgy is a very useful app for creating custom widgets on iPhone. It has both free and paid options, but the good thing is we can use the free version for this setup. And another great thing about this app is that the free version can be used without annoying ads. So for this transparent widget trick, the free version is enough. After installing the app, open Widgy. Now tap on Manage to start the setup. First, we need to add our transparency setup. This is the most important step because Widgy needs to understand your wallpaper and home screen background. For that, we have to upload a screenshot of the home screen without any apps on it. So go to an empty home screen page, take a screenshot, and then come back to the Widgy app. This screenshot will help the app create a widget that matches your wallpaper, so it looks like the widget is transparent on your iPhone home screen. Then, upload your home screen screenshot into the Widgy app. This screenshot should be the empty home screen page, without any apps or widgets on it. That way, Widgy can match the background correctly and create the transparent effect. Next, tap on Explore. Here you can browse different widget designs and choose a suitable widget for your home screen. There are many styles available, so you can pick the one that matches your wallpaper and your iPhone setup. You can choose a simple widget, a clock widget, a calendar widget, or any design you like. Now I'm going to add a widget slot to the home screen. To do this, tap and hold on an empty area of the home screen until the apps start to jiggle. Then tap the Add Widget. Now search for Widgy and select the Widgy app from the widget list. After that, choose the widget size you want to use. Widgy gives you different size options, so you can select the one that matches your home screen style. For this video, I'm going to choose the bigger widget size because it gives more space and makes the setup look more clean and premium. Once you select the size, add it to your home screen. Now tap on the Widgy widget slot on your home screen to change it. Go to the Explore section and you'll find many different widget designs. Most of them are free, so you can choose any widget you like. After selecting a suitable widget, tap Import Widget to add it to your Widgy app. Now let's add the widget we imported to the home screen. For this, go to the Manage section in Widgy and select the imported widget. Then choose the widget slot we added earlier. After selecting it, the widget will appear on your iPhone home screen. If you are not happy with the font style or colors, you can change them easily. Just open the widget in the Manage section, tap on the parts you want to edit, and customize the font, color, size, or layout. This way, you can make the widget match your home screen style perfectly. You may notice a white border line around the widget. We can remove that too, so the widget looks more transparent and blends better with the home screen. To do that, tap on the widget and open the transparency settings. From there, untick Use Liquid Glass. Once you turn that off, the white border around the widget will disappear, and the widget will look much more clean and transparent on your home screen. Now let's try this with another wallpaper. When you change your wallpaper, you also need to update the transparency background inside the Widgy app. Otherwise, the widget will not match the new wallpaper properly. To do this, follow the same process again. Go to an empty home screen page, take a screenshot, and then upload that screenshot to the transparency section in Widgy. After that, the widget will match your new wallpaper and look transparent again. So, what do you think? This method is super easy, and with just a few small changes, we can give our iPhone home screen a clean, premium, and wow-looking style. I really love this transparent widget look because it makes the home screen feel more minimal and modern. Now I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments, did this method work on your iPhone or not? And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll try my best to help you. So, if you like more iPhone home screen customization videos like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing more cool iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.